On May 3, 1913, a historic moment unfolded in Indian cinema as Raja Harishchandra, the first full-length feature film, premiered at Coronation Cinema in Bombay. Directed and produced by Dada Saheb Phalke, this silent film depicted the legendary tale of King Harishchandra, renowned for his honesty and integrity in ancient India. Despite its humble beginnings, the film marked a significant milestone, altering perceptions of entertainment and inspiring a wave of filmmakers to enter the film industry. With a production cost of around 15,000 rupees, a substantial sum at that time, Dada Saheb Phalke invested everything in bringing this vision to life. Raja Harishchandra not only captivated audience but also paved the way for the growth of Indian cinema. Over his illustrious 19-year career, Phalke crafted a total of 95 films and 26 short films, leaving an indelible mark on the industry. In recognition of his monumental contributions, the Government of India established the prestigious Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 1969, honoring Phalke's legacy as a pioneer of Indian cinema. Today, this award stands as the highest accolade in the realm of Indian filmmaking, paying homage to a visionary who forever changed the landscape of entertainment.
खानदानी लुटेरों की कोशिश होगी बेकार, फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार।
सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज RKDF University.
On May 3, 2006, India mourned the loss of Pramod Mahajan, a prominent political leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party. His untimely death resulted from a tragic altercation with his younger brother Praveen Mahajan on April 22, 2006, when Praveen fired 3 fatal shots at Pramod, leading to his demise at Hinduja Hospital in Mumbai. Pramod Mahajan's significant impact on Indian politics cannot be overstated, encompassing key moments such as Atal Bihari Vajpayee's premiership, Lal Krishna Advani's Rath Yatra, and the BJP's alliance with Shiv Sena in Maharashtra. His vision for an empowered, shining India left an indelible mark on the nation's political landscape. Despite his remarkable political career, the circumstances surrounding Pramod Mahajan's tragic shooting remained veiled in uncertainty. In December 2007, Praveen Mahajan was sentenced to life imprisonment for his brother's murder. However, the Mahajan family faced further shock with Praveen's passing in 2010 due to a brain hemorrhage, closing a tumultuous chapter in Indian political history. On May 3, 2005, India mourned the loss of a valiant hero, Lieutenant General Jagjit Singh Arora, whose leadership and bravery played a pivotal role in the liberation of Bangladesh. Born in Pakistan in 1916, General Arora's distinguished military career began in 1938 when he was commissioned into the Indian Army. His momentous achievement came during the 1971 Indo-Pak War, where he orchestrated the strategic masterstroke that led to the surrender of the Pakistani army in Dhaka on December 16, 1971. Under his command, the Indian Army's operation in East Pakistan resulted in the liberation of Bangladesh, forever altering the region's geopolitical landscape. General Arora's leadership as the General Officer commanding of the Eastern Command proved instrumental in this historic victory. Following his retirement from the army in 1973, he was honored with the Padma Bhushan by the Government of India, a testament to his exceptional service and indomitable spirit in defense of his nation.
खानदानी लुटेरों की कोशिश होगी बेकार, फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार।
सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज RKDF University.
World Press Freedom Day, observed annually on May 3, commemorates a vital moment in the fight for journalistic independence. In 1991, African journalists initiated the first campaign for press freedom, culminating in the Declaration of Windhoek, a landmark statement advocating for an independent and pluralistic African press. Just 2 years later, the United Nations General Assembly formally declared May 3 as World Press Freedom Day, recognizing the fundamental importance of press freedom in fostering democratic societies worldwide. Each year, UNESCO awards the Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize on May 3 to individuals or institutions who have demonstrated exceptional commitment to advancing press freedom. This prestigious accolade serves as a beacon of recognition for those who tirelessly champion the principles of free expression and journalistic integrity. On May 3, 1986, a bomb exploded in Air Lanka 3-star flight number 512 at Colombo Airport in Sri Lanka. The devastating blast claimed the lives of 21 individuals and left 41 others injured. Among the 128 passengers on board were 25 British citizens, 5 of whom sustained injuries in the attack. The explosion, believed to have been orchestrated by Tamil rebels advocating for a separate nation, tore the airplane apart as it was preparing to depart for the Maldives from Colombo, having originated from London's Gatwick Airport via Zurich and Dubai. The passengers hailed from various countries including France, Britain and Japan, with many being tourists bound for the Maldives, highlighting the international ramifications of the tragic event.